Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Jessica, and today we're going to be learning how to draw Dr. Fox from the Cartoon Network series Unikitty. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, with you guys supporting us and following us, it allows us to continue to do what we do, and that's make awesome art videos for you. Alright, let's get started. So with Dr. Fox's head, it's actually going to be curved on either side and then straight. So we're going to start with a half circle, do a straight line across on the bottom, straight line across on the top, and then another half circle, just like that. Then we're going to do a line right along here to show the side of her face. We're just going to follow right along that same line that we made and just put that right next to it. Then we're going to go over here. We're going to start with her shirt. So we're going to come down on either side, make a nice long rectangle and a line across. And we're going to have the rectangle stop when it hits the side of her face. Then we're going to go and start with her jacket. So bring it down, bring it over, and then just bring it up a little bit because we're going to put this arm in now. So we're going to start at a diagonal here, and it's going to go down and pass the up line just about halfway. Then we follow that line on the other side and then line across, and that is her sleeve. Go to the other side, go down, over, and up, half circle for her hand, go to the other sleeve, half circle for the hand. Now for the pants, we're going to do two long rectangles for her legs. So here's one, and then straight line down, over, and there's her other one. And then a half circle for her foot, and then another half circle for her other foot. Now we're going to do the little design that's on our jacket. So you're going to come in a diagonal, come straight across, and then diagonal down, almost like a lightning bolt shape. And then we're going to go ahead and go under her torso here and just do a curved line. Then come out the middle section of the top of her arm, curve it out, and then stop, and then go to her leg and curve it up. So that's going to be her foxy tail. And now we're going to go over to her ears, and her ears are just two triangles on top of her head. So we're going to do one triangle here, and then we're just going to go right into the second one. One, two lines, just like that, and then we're going to be touching each other. And then to give it that three-dimensional effect, we're just going to bring it out straight, and then follow that diagonal line down. And we're going to do it to both of the ears. So now we're going to add our eyebrows. Just one and two lines right on the top of the ears there. And then we're going to add the button to her jacket, which is just a nice little circle here. And then we're going to move on to her face. Now we're going to do one eye. So on the right, we're going to do one big circle. And she has glasses, so you want this line to be very thick. So if you need to go back over a couple times with your pencil or grab a marker. So one circle. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do her snout next. Nice little oval shape that's going to start and then stop right next to her glasses there. And now I'm going to do her other eye. So I'm going to start at the snout, bring it up, around, and it's going to end at the top of her snout. So those are her other lenses there. And then a nice thick line across to show the bridge of her glasses. And there are the glasses, and that one lens is going to be behind the snout, so that's why we draw the snout first and then the other lens. And now we're just going to add some eyelashes to her lenses. So just two long ovals, and we're going to fill those in. So bring them out, around, fill in, then go underneath, and bring it out, around, and in, and then fill it in. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and do her actual iris and pupil here. So nice oval shape, half circle in the top left, and then just follow that oval line on the inside there. So another oval, but it's going to start and stop at the snout, so it looks like it is going behind it. Just like this, half circle in the up left, and then bring it down, around, and back into our highlight. And there is our highlight, our pupil, and our iris. and then a nice curve for her mouth. And there it is. And I'm not going to draw her nose because I'm just going to use that as a color. Now for the colors we're using for Dr. Fox, we're going to be using a nice yellow for the bottom half of her face. Then we're going to use a nice orange for the top half. And then we're going to be using an even darker orange for her ears, and then her paws, and then half of her tail. And then the other half of her tail is going to be a nice tan at the top part of it. So that way it gives it that nice foxy look. And that same tan that's going to be on the tip of her tail is also going to be on the snout of Dr. Fox here. And then the lab coat is going to be a nice cream color, and then our pants will be black, and then the pupils of Dr. Fox's eyes will also be black, and her iris color will be green. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more fun videos just like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to show off any of the drawings that you've created, Dr. Fox or otherwise, head on over to any of our social media platforms and show off your creation. Their links will be in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.